Let me be honest with you. I've been thinking a lot about the future, about jobs, about money, about technology, about AI, and especially about what somebody like me is supposed to learn in a world that keeps changing every single day. Because sometimes you hear people say, learn this skill, then tomorrow there's another skill. Learn AI, learn coding, learn digital marketing, learn design, learn data, and honestly, it can become confusing. So I started asking myself a different question. Instead of asking, what skills should I learn? I started asking, what problems can I learn to solve? And that question changed the way I started looking at the future. Because I realized something. The future doesn't necessarily belong to the person who knows the most. It belongs to the person who can look at a problem and say, okay, how can I fix this? Think about how different the world is now. There was a time when getting information was difficult. You needed books. You needed teachers. You needed to know somebody who knew somebody. But today, I can literally pick up my phone, search for something, watch somebody explain it, ask AI about it, and start learning. And that's crazy when you really think about it. But there's a problem. Everybody can get information. So information alone doesn't make you valuable anymore. Knowing something is good, but being able to do something with what you know is different. You can know how to use AI, but can you use AI to solve a problem? You can know how to design, but can you create something a business actually needs? You can know how to edit videos, but can you help somebody communicate their message better? That's where I think the real value is. Think about a small business owner, maybe somebody selling clothes, maybe a restaurant, maybe a photographer, maybe somebody running a small online business. They don't wake up every morning saying, I need somebody with 5 different certifications. They wake up thinking, why aren't customers buying? Why am I spending so much time doing this? How do I get more people to see my business? How do I respond to all these customers? How do I create content? How do I make this process easier? Those are problems, and somebody who can help solve those problems has value. That's what I'm beginning to understand. A skill becomes much more powerful when you connect it to a real problem. And this is what got me interested in the digital economy, because we're not limited to doing things the old way anymore. You can learn something from your phone, you can build something from your phone, you can create content from your phone, you can sell something online, you can work with somebody in another country, you can use AI to help you research, write, design, organize, automate, and build. And I'm not saying it's easy, it's not. There are still challenges. There are still people struggling to find opportunities. There are still real problems with access, money, education, and infrastructure. But I also think there's something we're sometimes missing. There are problems everywhere, and problems create opportunities for people who learn how to solve them. And this is where AI comes in. I'm interested in AI. I'm learning AI. I'm experimenting with AI. But I don't want to become that person who just says, look what AI can do. Because honestly, that's not enough. If everybody can access the same AI tools, then what separates you from everybody else? Your thinking, your questions, your creativity, your understanding of the problem, and your ability to actually turn the technology into something useful. AI can give you an answer, but you still have to know what question to ask. AI can help you create something, but you still need to know what is worth creating. That's why I don't think AI makes problem solving less important. I think it makes it even more important. If today's conversation is already challenging the way you think about your education, your future, and the identity you've been handed, I've created something for you. Click the Linktree link in the description right now and download the free Outsider Identity Guide. It's your first step in deconstructing the identity you inherited so you can build the identity you choose. If you're ready to think deeper, write better, build meaningful work, and join a generation that values truth over noise. Hit that subscribe button and stay locked in with Fred Owate, the Honest Sinner. For me, I'm starting with the basics. I want to learn how to think better, how to research, how to communicate, how to write, how to create, how to use AI properly, how businesses work, how automation works, how to build simple digital products, how to take an idea and actually turn it into something. And I'm not trying to master everything at once. I'm learning one thing, then trying to use it. Because I don't want my knowledge to just stay inside my head. I want to build with it. And maybe that's something you can do too. Don't just ask, what skill is trending? Ask, what problem does this skill help me solve? That's a much better question. And I want to make something clear about this project. I'm not coming here pretending I've figured everything out. I haven't. I'm actually trying to figure it out myself. That's why I call this the Problem Solver Project. I'm learning in public. I'm testing things. Some things will work. Some things will probably fail. I'll make mistakes. I'll change my approach, I'll try different tools, I'll build things, and I'll share what I learn along the way. Because I think there's something powerful about documenting the journey instead of pretending you're already at the destination. I'm starting with what I have, even if that's just my phone, even if I don't have a big team, even if I don't have a huge budget. I'm going to learn what I can, build what I can, and see where it takes me. And maybe this is where my thinking has changed the most. I've spent a lot of time thinking about getting a job, but now I'm also thinking about something else. What value can I create? Because if you can solve a problem for someone, you don't always have to wait for somebody to give you an opportunity. You can create one. Maybe you help a business automate something. Maybe you build a website. Maybe you create their content. Maybe you help them with AI. Maybe you solve a problem they haven't even figured out how to solve yet. That's where skills become powerful. Not when you can list 10 skills on your CV, but when someone can look at what you do and say, this person can help me, before a problem could just look like a problem. Now I'm trying to ask, why does this problem exist? Who is affected by it? Can I solve part of it? Can technology make it easier? Would somebody actually pay for the solution? That's a completely different mindset, because sometimes the thing everybody's complaining about is actually where the opportunity is. The person who sees frustration might walk away. The problem solver gets curious and says, let me see if I can figure this out. So that's what I'm trying to build with the Problem Solver Project. Not another channel where I sit down and pretend to have all the answers. I want this to be a journey. Learning digital skills, understanding the digital economy, experimenting with AI, building workflows, trying to create simple apps, finding real problems, trying to solve them, and eventually seeing if those solutions can become something valuable. One skill at a time, one problem at a time, one experiment at a time. And maybe you can build alongside me. Because you don't need to have everything figured out before you start. You just need something you're curious about and the willingness to learn. And maybe that's what Honest Sinner has always been about for me. I'm not trying to pretend I'm perfect. I'm still learning, still building, still making mistakes, still becoming. Truth over fake. That's the philosophy. So I'm not going to tell you I have everything figured out. I'm going to say I'm figuring it out too. And if I can learn something, build something, solve something, and share what I learned with somebody else, then maybe that's already creating value. Because the future is going to keep changing. The tools will change. The jobs will change. The technology will change. But one thing probably won't change. People will always have problems, and wherever there are problems, there will always be room for people who are willing to solve them. So this is where I'm starting. The Problem Solver Project. Let's see what happens. One problem at a time. If today's conversation challenged the way you think about yourself, your family, and your future, I've created a roadmap for you. Click the Linktree link in the description right now and download the free Outsider Identity Guide. It is your first step in deconstructing the identity you inherited so you can build the identity you choose. If you are ready to think deeper, write better, build meaningful work, and join a generation that values truth over noise, hit that subscribe button to stay locked into Fred Owati, the Honest Sinner. Because your identity is not just something you inherit, it's something you shape with knowledge, courage, and intention. Click the link tree below, grab your guide, and let's start building. Thank you for watching.